Taking a look at, this is number 14, so I'm going to start by doing x subtract I, x subtract negative I, x subtract 3i, and x subtract a negative 3i. Okay, this should have been a negative I. So x subtract I, x subtract a negative I, x subtract 3i, and x subtract a negative 3i. The double negative makes a positive. And now when I look at these front two terms, I can see these are conjugates, as are the last two. So what do we do when we have conjugates? Conjugates means the front and the last are exactly the same, just the sign in between is different. We only have to do the F and the L for FOIL. So multiply the fronts and multiply the last. A negative times a positive is a negative with an I squared. Multiply the fronts and multiply the last. A negative times a positive is a negative. 3 times 3 is 9 and an I squared. Now I know negative 1 is the same, I squared is the same as negative 1, and that gives me x squared plus 1. And over here, similar situation, I squared is the same as negative 1, and I get x squared plus 9. Okay, I'm going to FOIL this, and I have x to the 4th plus 9x squared plus 1x squared plus 9. When I simplify, I have x to the 4th plus 10x squared plus 9.